heart stops and I can't breathe. What you just said to me, it done right through my mind. Didn't see it coming.